Good evening, friends. Welcome to another daily analysis session of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Through this video, we'll try to analyze the market for tomorrow, and we'll also try to look at what were the trades that we took. Especially, very tricky monthly expiry was there on the cards. We had done a live Zoom session, right? So before I jump into the session, a very warm wishes to all our Muslim friends who celebrated Eid with their family. So Bakra Eid Mubarak to them. We had a holiday today from a trading standpoint. We traded gold from a forex standpoint, and I've posted some of the charts and the calls in the group. Right. So I hope some of you all were able to look at that. Coming back to our Indian market, right? So first thing, let's look at VIX, guys. VIX, right, was surprising element yesterday. If you see, the VIX was rising, market was rising. There was no confidence to short. The markets were going up, right, and VIX was also going up, which is typically not the relationship that we see. When the market started falling, VIX also started falling. So to buy a call here was difficult, to buy a put here was difficult, which clearly says probably this downfall was triggered by profit booking and not by any panic. This VIX kept on going up, which meant this was done to trap the retail traders. But importantly, right now, if you see, VIX has been hitting the monthly. If you look at the monthly chart, right, VIX has been hitting the monthly support areas constantly. Some stage, right, you would see a breakout in the VIX here, right? And we'll wait and see. It could be any event which triggers this thing, but I have historically not seen VIX staying so flat, touching the support again and again, right? From a monthly standpoint, if you look at daily candles, every day it goes to 11.3 and then comes down to 10.5, 10.7, right? We expect to see some action in the VIX there, right? So let's get into the Bank Nifty chart. First, let's look at the trades that we took. The clearly, right, the morning trade we could not take, right? The morning trade we could not take. But if you see the pattern, right, Fin Nifty expiry, the closing candle, market came, went up. Bank Nifty monthly expiry, market came to the closing candle, went up, right? The first thing that they do is always go near the liquidity, absorb the liquidity, then there is a fall and then it goes up, then there is a fall and it goes up, right? Now Bank Nifty has been following this pattern for the last couple of days, right? Tomorrow it's a beginning of a fresh series for Bank Nifty and Nifty, right? Let's try to analyze. So Bank Nifty clearly for me, right? All three, there are four scenarios, right? Rather than three. First scenario, I wanted to open with a big gap down somewhere here. Form a bullish candle, right? Within first 30 minutes, then I will trade for this target. It won't be a straight move. It would come here and then go up, right? Second, a small gap down to flat opening, first 10-15 minutes consolidation and then an up move. A big gap up similar to this, within first half an hour the candles coming and sweeping this level and then going up, right? These are the three scenarios that I'm looking from a bullish standpoint. Short would only happen if there is a gap up followed by a narrow range and then a breakdown. This is the only scenario in which I will take a bear trade. Otherwise, all three scenarios are pointing to bullish in spot chart, right? Let's look at the components, right? Components are looking very interesting. I will look at all six components together, right? Look at HDFC, guys. Again, from a daily chart standpoint, if you see, it's actually creating a, so this is a pattern, right? This is a complete pattern. It could actually go and retest this level, right? I need a closing. So tomorrow HDFC will be neutral to bullish only above these levels, right? Otherwise it will stay neutral. I'm expecting some round of consolidation here before it actually goes up, right? ICICI Bank again looking fantastic, the chart, right? Personally, I was expecting some sort of downfall, but if you see the, this has actually given a move above this level. Now for tomorrow, right, it could consolidate here or go up, right? This has 23 points left in ICICI for us to travel. Let's look at Axis. Axis definitely looks good, bullish. Of the three charts, right, I personally would feel more confident going long with Axis for tomorrow. If you see, this actually broke the trend line couple of days back. Today it has started closing above. This has got 14 points left. It could actually go up, consolidate, and then make new highs. Axis of the three chart looks neutral to more bullish. Kotak, which was bearish a couple of days back, right, when it was trying to form a support here, has actually confirmed this support. Right now, this becomes a runaway gap. Kotak for me, right, above this level, if it see it's creating a liquidity, right, volatility contraction pattern. If it opens anywhere here, breaks out, then it has got targets upside to be done. Right, so Kotak again bullish like Axis. State Bank of India, I look at the daily chart, the movement has been very restricted, but if you see the daily chart, right, clearly there are two important trend lines that SBI will now face a resistance at. First one is here. Okay, it has given this breakout has been given, but if you see, right, this zone is a tricky zone for SBI, right? SBI, I would want consolidation for one day. If it consolidates here, fills this gap around 566, then it can go up till 589. Movement will be slow. IndusInd again bullish in my opinion. Let's look at the daily chart. You would see it had fallen down. This is, so if you see, right, a big impulse in a big impulse in IndusInd, a small dip support. Now it is actually trying to take out these levels, right? So IndusInd again looks bullish to me above 1340. So IndusInd, Axis and Kotak are bullish. HDFC, ICICI, SBI are looking neutral. Beyond a certain level, it will become bullish, right? Everything gets negated if there is a big gap up opening. So components are also talking about bullishness. Now, if you look at the chart pattern here, right, in the options chart, till you actually see, so for me to be comfortable with put, right, I wanted to be opening somewhere here around 360 370, consolidate in this narrow range for 15 to 20 minutes, and then take out. You have targets of 494. If you look at CE chart, is more clear. If it opens gap down, can take a support around 280, consolidate, and then go up, right? So component spot chart, the option, the way the option is placed, right, everything is pointing to some sort of bullishness in Bank Nifty. Only way it would become bearish is if there is a big gap up opening. I would not chase Bank Nifty anywhere in between, right? Now let's come to Nifty chart. Again, very interesting. It's stronger than Bank Nifty. If you see impulse like correction, it's making a pattern to break out of this level, right? Typically, I'm looking at above 18,900 and sorry, in 19,000, right? I'm looking at targets of 19,050, 19,100. A gap down opening around 18,900. I would again take a trade on the long side for 18,900 to 950, right? I won't think of shorting Nifty now till it actually closes below 18,800 level for a 18,850 level for 15 minutes, right? Component wise, Nifty, everyone is showing strength. Only disappointment has been Nifty IT. But if you see, right, opened gap up, came down, went up, again came down. I am expecting this level to be taken out for the targets of 29,200. Rest all components are in line. Bank Nifty is also looking bullish. Let's get into the HDFC, Reliance and Infosys chart. HDFC, the chart looks good. If it consolidates and breaks this level, you have 25-30 points in HDFC. Infi of the three looks the best placed. If you see, right, it came down, went up, consolidated in a narrow range, it has broken up. Infosys has got 10 points immediately as a target upside, and then it could go all the way till 15, right? Infosys, personally, at every dips now I would start buying, typically near 1280, and I would average it somewhere here, right, at 1260. I would like to average it and hold it with a stop loss of 1200. 5%, 5.5% as a loss. I would hold it from a swing trading standpoint. Last but not the least is Reliance. Reliance again was very strong. If you see, big impulse move, then down, the entire rally it has not participated. I am expecting the targets of 25.49 and 25.52 in Reliance too. So guys, Nifty more bullish because of the components, right? It's more bullish than Bank Nifty, right? Now coming to the three stocks that I have selected, first one is Voltas. If you see, there was a neat trend line coming here, or even if I draw this, right, there's a neat trend line, it has broken out. Tomorrow if it opens and consolidates here, right, or it retests this area, we are expecting a target of 775 and 782. This you can also hold for your swing trading. Next stock is Adani Enterprises. If you see, this was a flip zone. Market actually took this out without any effort, right? Now came down, it's going up, right? For us, the first target is here 24.50. The second target is at 25.22. Knowing the way Adani moves, try to buy it near support. If it goes gap up, if it opens gap up, don't chase it, because I think then the risk reward is slightly skewed. But we are personally expecting 25.40, 25.60 target in Adani Enterprises. Third one is SBI Life. Again, a good chart. If you see, there was a lot of consolidation here. It broke down, it's gone up. Now it's retesting somewhere near this area. If it comes 1280 to 1288, I'm looking at some sort of consolidation for a move till 1320. Right? So friends, these are the three stocks that we have selected. I would want everyone to take less risk. We had two monthly expiries this week. There was one holiday too, right? We have done well, decently well with the three trades. आप अपना capital बचाए, profit बचाए कल, close the week on green note, and then we'll see if there are any events which transpire on Saturday, Sunday. जुलाई मिड ऑनवर्ड्स रिजल्ट सीजन आएगा, तो स्टॉक्स भागेंगे. अब इंडेक्स को थोड़ा मैनेज किया जाएगा, तो जुलाई सेकेंड हाफ से ना वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग लेस मूवमेंट इन इंडाइसिस एंड वील फोकस मोर ऑन स्टॉक्स, राइट? So friends, that's it from us. I hope everyone has a good start to Friday, a good closure to the week, right? For everyone who are watching the video and have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Also join our Telegram group. We are 600 plus members on Telegram, 1150 odd members on YouTube, right? I would encourage you guys to share this channel. We are sharing a wealth of knowledge, right, free of cost. Please share this channel with your friends, family members who are into trading. Encourage them to join both the channels. Also, we conduct a lot of Zoom sessions, YouTube live sessions for people who do not who cannot join the mentorship program right now, or who have some capital constraints and would like to observe the performance over a period of time. So please hit the notification button while we'll post it on Telegram. If you have notification on, you are not on Telegram, YouTube will actually send you the alert, right? That's it from my side, friends. I hope everyone has a great day tomorrow. All the best, and we will connect again soon. Thank you, guys.